What is motor plasticity and how does it reorganize the brain? Imagine your brain as a busy city where roads and pathways connect different neighborhoods. Now picture those roads changing and rerouting to adapt to new traffic or repair damage. That's what motor plasticity is all about. It's the nervous system's way of changing how it controls movement. When you learn a new skill or recover from an injury, your brain rewires itself to improve or restore movement. Motor plasticity is a part of neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to change its structure and connections. It happens through several processes. Synaptic plasticity changes the strength and number of connections between nerve cells. Neurogenesis creates new neurons, while dendritic arborization involves growth of branches on nerve cells to form new connections. Angiogenesis is the formation of new blood vessels to supply these changes with nutrients. All these processes help the brain adapt to new demands or heal after injury. In terms of motor pathways, which include the primary motor cortex and other brain regions, motor plasticity can change how muscles and movements are represented in the brain. For example, when you practice a new skill, the area of the brain responsible for those movements expands. This means more neurons are involved, making your control more precise. The brain can also remap itself, shifting control from one area to another if needed. This flexibility helps in recovery after injuries like strokes. At the level of motor units, which are made up of alpha motoneurons and muscle fibers, motor plasticity allows these units to physically and functionally adapt. Early gains in strength from training often come from better neural activation, like increased firing of motor neurons. Over time, muscles may grow larger, contributing more to strength. This shows how both the brain and muscles work together in plasticity. Rehabilitation after brain injuries relies heavily on motor plasticity. Therapies focus on stimulating the brain to reorganize motor pathways, helping damaged areas take over functions. Repeated practice and specific exercises encourage the brain to form new, helpful connections. This process can restore movement and improve quality of life. In summary, motor plasticity reorganizes the brain by changing the circuits involved in controlling movement. It involves structural and functional shifts at both the cortical level and within motor units. This ability allows us to learn new skills, adapt to new situations, and recover from injuries, making the brain a truly adaptable organ.